it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I am almost done with Tree of Life. Just have this little part left. Super excited. But I had to pause because I received friend mail. And this came, about a week and a half ago. However, I think God just wanted me not to open it because I just needed something to open today. And this was here. And so, at least I think it's friend mail because it's from drillpenfrenzy, and I did not order anything from Donnie. But I have a suspicious inkling of what's in here, so you guys are going to open it with me. But I wanted to give you an update as to why I think this was meant to be opened today rather than a week to a week and a half ago when it first came. Wednesday, if you've watched my videos in the last week, you have an update that my husband was like in his office working and started the dishwasher. It was like baptized by water. So we turned the dishwasher off. It was leaking through the ceiling onto his expensive equipment. He works for a computer company. And so he tried to fix the dishwasher, turned the dishwasher back on a day later, and it still was coming through the ceiling. So it's not the dishwasher. Well, we finally got a plumber to call us back, and the plumber came today just to kind of look at it and give us an estimate. And evidently it is the drain pipe, and it's going to cost hundreds of dollars just to fix. But then on top of that, we have to tear apart his office and then put the office back together. We're talking rip drywall out, a bunch of stuff, and then he has to move to a different part of the house. He has to be able to have a closed door for confidentiality. So it's just been kind of stressful. Also, we got sick the week after New Year's, which is the week we take Christmas down. And so this weekend we were going to take Christmas down, but we haven't had a kitchen. So I've been washing some dishes in the bathtub, but not in the bathtub, right? Like in a tub, in the tub. And nobody's home right now, so I'm just going to be honest that nobody's been helping me. So pots, pans, plates, silverware, salad, spinner, all of these things with my bad back on my knees over the tub, washing and rinsing, and then having nowhere to put it that's clean. So every time I wash one thing, I have to stand up and take it to the kitchen. I tried to bring a clean tub in to put dishes in. Trust me, that didn't work because my dog, even with the door shut, kept trying to barge in and stick her nose in it and lick the plates that were clean. If I did shut the door, then she would scrape the door and rip the paint off the door because she's just that stubborn. And my husband's way of dealing with stress right now is to avoid it. So my Getting Real video before this, go check it out, as to me trying not to therapize my husband as a therapist, trying to let him just be himself. I love him to death. He's great, but right now, ever since he got sick last year, January, he can't handle stress at all. So yeah, I've had a pretty stressful weekend. I feel like the weight of the world. I found out my father, who's, borderline ill, recovering from cancer, heart issues, went to urgent care for this flu that's going around, which is landing everybody in the hospital. So that was kind of stressful. And my parents aren't the best update communicators. So like 7 hours later, when I didn't hear back, I was like, is everything okay? And I heard back that he's home. He's attempting to rest, but it's the flu. And it's a really bad case, I guess. So that's concerning. My husband and my daughter were supposed to go snowboarding today to give me the whole day just to be me, guys, and have my day off. And my husband woke up. It's not his fault, but he woke up with a kink in his neck that made him unable to snowboard, which then dashed my daughter's heart, so she started crying. And so they went out for a daddy-daughter date to Dave & Buster's, and evidently they won a bulldog and they named him Martin. So that might be showing up in the next video or two. We will see. And now they're at a movie. So all of that is, I wrote a couple chapters for the book. I attempted to take a nap. The whole time I was taking a nap, I kept thinking I could be doing something. So the Christmas boxes are upstairs in the living room, ready to take Christmas down. Hopefully when they get home, they'll help me. The plumber has a plan to come on Wednesday. I don't know how we're going to get through tomorrow, but we will. It's a first world problem. I know. There's so many other issues we could be dealing with. My dad's at home. My mom's taking care of him. And I'm here. I have like an hour to myself left. So I thought I would do this video. So, friend mail. That is a long story to tell you why probably opening this now to lift my spirits is great. And I don't know where the money's going to come from for the plumber because we got rid of all of our credit cards, but we will see. So here we go. So Donnie does a great job. She has like the fragile written on here. And then in here is the list. Oh my goodness. All right, so you know who you are, who got this for me. You are crazy, but thank you. Crazy thank you. So it's wrapped in this cute little bubble wrap with the thank you sticker. And OMG, these are gnomes. Cover minders. If you don't know what a cover minder is, it is something that you love with magnets attached to it. Aren't these adorable? And look at that cute little magnet on the back. And then they hold your cover back when you're diamond painting so it doesn't get in your way. So you put the pretty part on the front, and you put the magnet, the second magnet on the back, and then it holds your cover back. So especially if you're on an easel, or I know when I start to get a lot of the diamond painting done and there's not enough sticky left, like here, nothing has sticky on here. I mean, no diamonds are in here, so of course the cover is going to stick really well. But as soon as I start putting diamonds on here, and then I go wash dishes or something, this cover won't lay down as well. So I can use the cover minder also to keep this down from flapping up as well. So you know who you are, who got these for me, but I got 3 little gnomes, so cute, and Donnie puts them on her business card, which is adorable. It's a fun way to receive these so you don't lose your magnets. And her, it says, sparkle wherever you go and whatever you do. So thank you so much. These are from drillpenfrenzy. I will put down below the Etsy address to go to and check it out. But yeah, and what I love about Donnie too is everything that you order, she does lives, I believe, on Mondays and Thursdays, about 7:30 Central. That's her time. She lives in Oregon. So my time, it's usually 10:30 Eastern Standard. And then like if I ordered on Sunday, then on that Thursday I could see her actually wrapping up my package and all of that. But these are so cute. It's so fun. So the person who got this for me, I don't know if you want to remain anonymous or not. That's why I'm not mentioning your name. But thank you so much for blessing me. It could not come at a better time with this stressful home improvement, keeping everybody emotionally sane weekend. So I appreciate you. I appreciate Donnie. I appreciate the diamond painting community. Just thank you for loving on me, for loving on each other. And until next time, be blessed. Take care. Don't forget to give a thumbs up if you like this, or subscribe if you're new. Until next time, be blessed. Bye-bye.